Budget-friendly 2025 front yard garden ideas. Low-maintenance tropical landscaping solutions. Create your dream low-maintenance tropical landscaping with these 2025 small front yard garden ideas. Whether working with a tight budget or expansive plans, these budget-friendly landscaping tips are here to help you craft a stunning and practical space. Transform your home with the carefree elegance of tropical plants, where drought-tolerant species and easy-care landscaping converge for a front yard makeover that's both stylish and efficient. By incorporating palm trees, lush greenery, and DIY tropical garden features, you can achieve the perfect backyard oasis right in your front yard. Inspired by modern tropical design aesthetics, embedding eco-friendly garden principles and low-water plans that save both time and money. These small yard solutions, featuring exotic plants and vibrant tropical flowers, promise a lively garden that's full of vitality and zest. Enjoy effortless enhancements with budget-friendly garden ideas, focusing on low-maintenance greenery and no-fuss plants, making it easier than ever to elevate your space without the strain. Upgrade your home's curb appeal by integrating garden decor ideas that foster a tropical retreat ambience using sustainable gardening methods. Consider a garden makeover that integrates tropical foliage, weather-resistant plants, and easy gardening tips for a lush and inviting outdoor space. Whether your vision is of a tropical paradise at home, a tropical-inspired landscape, or a mix with evergreen plants, this guide caters to all. From crafting outdoor living spaces with potted tropical plants to utilizing simple front yard ideas, these strategies offer a vibrant, space-saving garden packed with color and charm. Delve into creative landscaping ideas, exotic garden design, and find warm climate plants that thrive year-round, offering lush visuals throughout every season. Explore the potential of tropical shrubs to transform your garden, incorporating them into contemporary designs and minimalist landscapes that redefine your front yard into a lush haven. If enhancing your outdoor oasis is your goal, techniques such as container gardening and discovering affordable front yard solutions can deliver vibrant results, all while observing budget limitations. In a few steps, transform your space today into a lush, tropical sanctuary that reflects the beauty of nature and the comforts of home.